Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, my Panda Peter. I'm going to show you guys how to install WordPress on your cPanel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like to this video. Let's head to my screen so you are going to see what I'm going to do and learn it also. Don't forget to also watch this video to the end. Thank you guys.
So guys, I told you earlier. So guys, this is my screen. I'm going to head to start showing you guys how to install WordPress on Cpanel. Let me first log into my own Cpanel. As you can see, this is the site I'm using. Actually, I've been logged in successfully to my own Cpanel. So after you have logged into your own Cpanel, you're going to see something like this with this interface, something like this. So what you are going to do, you are going to scroll down. After scrolling down, you are going to look for software. Yeah, I'm a bit fast, right? Yeah, those things. Good. You are going to look for this software. So WordPress is under those software. WordPress, sorry for the notification. Let me know this. So as you see, it has finished loading. This is, you are going to look for this WordPress Manager by Software Clause. This is where you are going. This is what you are going to click. You now click on the WordPress Manager by Software Clause. So guys, after it has loaded you to this section, this is where you are going to click Install. You are going to click Install because you are installing a new WordPress. Remember, you click on this Install. So after clicking on the install, you are going to choose this as HTTPS, this installation URL. Okay, this is the URL I'm going to install it to, overcup.com. So guys, I'm going to my site name. My site name is actually Overcup. Okay, my username is, let's say, my Panda, and the password is, which you are not supposed to see it. I'm going to hide it. Okay, I'm going to put my password. So this is my password. So I'm going to also put my own email. Okay, now put my email. So guys, I've inputted all my details. So after inputting all your details, what you are going to do is come down and hit the install button. So my WordPress is installing successfully. Okay, this is it. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So let's head to the admin. Let's head to the admin cPanel so that we are going to see what we did. As you can see, my WordPress has been installed successfully. Let me try logging in to my WordPress dashboard. So guys, this is it actually. This is my WordPress dashboard. So guys, this is it. This is my WordPress dashboard. As you can see, we have successfully installed WordPress on our cPanel. I hope you understand all what I did. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you are going to be updated whenever we release a new video. Don't forget to also subscribe. Thank you guys.